Welcome back to We Do Wellness. How's your week going so far? Today we're diving into something that can truly transform your day: mindful morning routines for stress relief. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you started your day feeling calm, centered, and ready to take on whatever comes your way? For many of us, mornings can be chaotic, waking up late, rushing out the door, skipping breakfast, or starting the day already stressed. But what if I told you that dedicating just 15 to 30 minutes each morning to mindfulness could completely change how you approach life? In this video, we'll explore 5 simple yet powerful practices to incorporate into your morning routine. These habits will help reduce stress, boost energy, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. So grab your favorite mug of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about gratitude. Starting your day by acknowledging things you're thankful for is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to shift your mindset. Research shows that practicing gratitude increases happiness, reduces stress, and improves overall well-being. Here's how you can make it part of your morning routine. Keep a gratitude journal. Spend 2 to 3 minutes writing down 3 things you're grateful for each morning. They don't have to be big things. Sometimes it's the little moments that bring the most joy. Maybe it's the warmth of sunlight streaming through your window, a delicious cup of coffee, or even the fact that you woke up today. Reflect on why you're grateful. Don't just list items. Think about why they matter to you. This adds depth to your practice and helps reinforce positive emotions. For example, instead of simply saying, "I'm grateful for my family," try expanding it to, "I'm grateful for my family because they support me unconditionally." Gratitude sets the tone for your day by shifting your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. It trains your brain to look for the good, even during challenging times. Next, let's talk about mindful breathing, a quick and effective way to calm your nervous system and center yourself. Breathing exercises are scientifically proven to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promote relaxation. Try this simple technique called box breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for another count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Pause at the bottom of your exhale for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle 5 to 10 times, focusing solely on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back without judgment. You can do this exercise anywhere, in bed, at your desk, or even in the car. The key is consistency. By making mindful breathing a daily habit, you'll notice improvements in your ability to manage stress throughout the day. Now let's move our bodies. Physical activity in the morning doesn't have to mean an intense workout. It can be as gentle as stretching, doing a few yoga poses, or taking a short walk outside. Movement gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and releases endorphins, which improve mood and energy levels. Here's a quick 5-minute yoga sequence you can try. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Take a few deep breaths here to ground yourself. Forward fold. Hinge forward from your hips, letting your head hang heavy. Gently sway side to side to release tension in your neck and shoulders. Downward dog. Come onto all fours, then lift your hips into downward facing dog. Pedal your legs or bounce slightly to stretch your hamstrings. Child's pose. Lower your hips back toward your heels, extending your arms forward. Rest here for a few breaths to calm your mind. Seated twist. Sit cross-legged and twist gently to each side, massaging your internal organs and releasing tension in your spine. If yoga isn't your thing, consider dancing to your favorite song, doing a few jumping jacks, or simply walking around your home. The goal is to wake up your body and energize yourself for the day ahead. Another important aspect of a mindful morning routine is nourishing your body with intention. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It fuels your brain and body after fasting overnight. Instead of grabbing something quick and unhealthy, take a few extra minutes to prepare a balanced meal that supports both your physical and mental health. Here are some ideas. Smoothies. Blend spinach, banana, almond milk, and chia seeds for a nutrient-packed start. Oatmeal. Top rolled oats with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for sustained energy. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread and top with an egg or cherry tomatoes. The act of preparing and eating mindfully also matters. Sit down, turn off distractions, and savor every bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. This practice not only enhances digestion, but also brings a sense of peace and presence to your morning. Finally, wrap up your morning routine with a positive affirmation or visualization exercise. This step reinforces self-belief and primes your mind for success. For affirmations, choose statements that resonate with you personally. Some examples include, I am capable and confident. Today, I embrace challenges with grace. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. Repeat these affirmations aloud or silently to yourself while looking in the mirror. Believe in them fully. They become your inner truth over time. Alternatively, you can visualize your ideal day. Close your eyes and imagine yourself accomplishing tasks, connecting with loved ones, and feeling fulfilled. Picture vivid details, the colors, sounds, and emotions associated with your vision. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as actual experiences, helping you manifest your goals. And that's it for today's video. By incorporating gratitude, mindful breathing, movement, intentional breakfasts, and positive affirmations into your morning routine, you'll create a solid foundation for managing stress and thriving throughout the day. Remember, consistency is key. Start small. If adding all 5 practices feels overwhelming, pick 1 or 2 to focus on first. Over time, you'll naturally build a routine that works for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite morning ritual. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and your mornings. Stay healthy and see you soon.